Hello friends, so today we're gonna start the class 10th computer science lecture series. The first lecture is on object and classes. So before starting, we will start the lecture by first taking this example in which we will understand what are objects and classes. So take this example of a television. Let take the example of an LG TV. So when you are operating any TV, you can see there are two types of variables and methods which can use for a TV. Variable defines the state of the TV. As you can see, what is the channel number, what is the cable number, whether the TV is off and on. And when you are running the television, you can do various operations on the television. You can change the channel, increase the volume, decrease the volume, switch off, switch on. So these are the different methods and variables which defines how this TV gonna work. So what we can do is we can take a television object. So the whole television can be consist of an object. We can take it to be an object and put all these variables and methods into that television, such that because we know whenever we are using a television, we're gonna need these variables and methods, such that we don't whenever we want to buy a television or whenever we want to use a television, we're gonna use all these methods and variables. Okay, but now let's assume there are lot of TVs, one from LG, one from Sony and other companies also, and all of them will be having these methods and variables. So why do we put all these methods and variable in every TV? What we can do is we can make a class. Class defines that all those TVs, any of the TV will be called a class, and all these TVs such that LG TV or Sony TV will be the objects. Okay, so now, and these objects will be consisting of these variables and method. So whenever we want to make a TV which is a class, we will know that a TV will consist of these variables and methods. So I will take you to definitions and it will become more clear. So the objects are also called instances. You can write these down in your copy while I am explaining to you. Also, an object is an entity which bundles up variable and methods, which I have told you. Any object bundle up methods and variables. So we want to only bundle up related methods, which actually means that television doesn't have variables such that check mileage. It doesn't get the method to check the mileage of the car. It only has methods which are related to the TV. So it consists of related methods. So what are variables and methods? You can answer that. So variables are values which can change according to the condition, because if we change the television channel number, the variable of the channel number will change. If we change the cable number will change, and so on. Methods are the procedure associated with the class, because these methods are used to do various functions on the objects. Now also objects are designed to perform specific work, because as you can see, a TV is used to do a specific type of work. There can be multiple objects in the class. As I have told you, a class is a combination of lot of related objects. A TV class consists of different TVs. It doesn't consist of cars, as you know, because it will consist of multiple objects of related, which are related to each other. Features of the objects are called its states, and behavior its method. So the objects, the features which defines an object are called its state. So in which state the object is, that defined by its features, and the behavior, how that object gonna behave, are defined by its method, which are the methods written on that object. These are the one which can be present in the real world. So objects are the one which can be present in the real world. As you can see, TV is present in the real world. Now moving on to classes. Classes are defined to perform specific work, as same for the objects, but classes are the blueprints for creating objects. What line does this mean? This lines actually means that whenever we want to create, let's say we want to create a TV. Now, we don't know what a TV is, but we know that all these functions and all these methods, variables should be in a TV. So blueprint means there is a map which tells us that a TV look like this, and we have to put all these variables and methods in that, such that, so for every time for creating an object means a TV. So whenever we want to create a TV, we know how the TV should be made. So we should need a blueprint or a map. So classes are just the blueprint for creating objects. A class shares the set of objects that share common characteristics and behavior. So the class share the set of objects, all the objects which share the common characteristics and behavior. The class doesn't consist of random or any objects. Okay, and objects are part of the class, as I've told you. So this summarizes the whole concept for classes and objects. If you still have any doubts, please mention down in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned. I will put more videos in the later time. Thank you. Bye.